Welcome to our custom designs. Today I'll be showing you how to do a water slide on a glass.
For this video, I will use white water slide paper, clear acrylic spray in a glass from Dollar Tree. Here is the print and cut image I will be adding to my glass. I will also be adding the text as well. I am looking for the font that I like to use. I will be using I Love Glitter font in bold text. Be sure when you use cursive letters to close it in to make the cursive phrase. Now you will see me ungroup my letters and fix them the way that I like. I will move the image out of the way so when I weld my cursive letters together, the image will not weld with it since it is print and cut. The left-hand side of the screen will show two different mats. One mat is the print and cut image and the second mat is for my text. In the printer setup, you will turn off the bleed and turn on Use System Dialog. Inside of the printing preference, be sure to click Photo Printing. This will let you choose the glossy paper and set your printer quality to high. Spray the image a total of 3 times, waiting 15 to 20 minutes between each spray. Now I will cut out the words that I want at the bottom of my image. Now add the image to room temperature water for 2 to 3 minutes. You will tell when the image is ready. It will be easy to slide. Be sure to wet the glass with extra water before adding a water slide. Wetting the glass will give you more time to move your image around to be sure it's in the correct spot before the image is dry. Once the image is transferred to the glass, be sure to remove all water from under the image. While the glass is in the oven sealing, I will go ahead and work on my text.
Be sure to subscribe and join our Facebook group. The link is in the description.